National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Knox County, central Whitley County, until 9:30 p.m. At 9:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Youngs Creek, or 9 miles northwest of Williamsburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Faber around 9:10 p.m. Rockholds around 9:15 p.m. Perkins around 9:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Clayton. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Knox and Whitley.